Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gun Bear Show. And today we will unbox. Yeah, it will be an unboxing today with this kit. Woo! And this is your HG GAT-04 Windom Fighter, or the bootleg of Windom. Yep, this is a Windom. And yeah, it has a Bandai already, and yeah, it will have a bootleg because it already have a Bandai. Okay, so yeah, so this is our Windom Fighter, and yeah, this is most requested because I post in the community part of the YouTube, and there are some comments. Yep, there are some comments that told me that they want to see first the Windom Fighter, or the Windom. So shout out for Sen216 and Aiko Basalyote 105. So they are the one, or those two persons have commented that they want to see the Windom first. So if you want to be shout out, just go to the comments on some of my videos and some of my community, which I asked for the viewers if what will be the next kit that I will build, because yeah, I'm not so sure of what will I build next. So yeah, I need your help. Okay, so now let's go and focus to the Windom. So let's go first on the box. So as you can see, the box, it has a nice kind of box art right here, which is just like your Bandai, but yeah, it's here, it's like the Bandai, but here it's like different. I think it's from the Bandai also, but it's just more on focus on the box. Okay, then the name, the Windom Fighter, the AQM/E-A4E1. I don't know if that's the real code for Windom on Bandai also, and also on the movie or the series of Gundam Seed. And yeah, the actual products may vary. Okay, same. Okay, then this side, yep, it's like the different positions or like poses of our Windom, and also the accessories, which is the beam rifle, has the shield, which is the shield is very nice. Yeah, you can really, it's like a spear already or a bayonet. And then air to surface missile, you also have a guided rocket pod, and the non-dying beam sabers. Yeah, okay, and yeah, this part also some poses of Windom, and then here same in the front, then here the back and the rear and the front view of our Windom. And yeah, the box here is a little bit dented. Yeah, this is I think this is from overseas, as I remember. So now let's open the box, and I want to open it at the bottom because we will have first our instructional manual. Okay, so yeah, there it is. So as you can see, we have first your instructional manual, and let's talk about this one. Very small. It's like a small version of the Windom Bandai instruction manual, but this is very small. Yes, you can see the actual or some of the unusual Bandai instructional manuals that a lot bigger. Yeah, on this one, I don't have a sample. Where's that? Yeah, I think that I doesn't have one right here. But yeah, as you can see, it's just like a small notebook. Yeah, as you can see, it really just the size of my palm right here. Yeah, so these are the instructional manual, and you can see here, this is the colored part. It says here XF-232. I don't know what will be that number already, because at the front it has, yeah, it's 232 also. Yeah, so I think that's it. That's a correct number. Okay, so some of the notes, and then the colored parts. I think this will be the last part of the instruction, and then here the black and white part right here, which give you the numbers of runners, and then the different instruction, which it also shows you the parts, which is this: the body, the head, the shoulders, the right arm, the left arm, then how to assemble it, then next, so on and so forth on the other parts of our Windom. And yeah, even it's small, you can really still see it and read it, but you need, for example, like me, I'm nearsighted, I really need to go and let this instruction manual be on the shortest distance to my eyes so that I can read it. Yep, because if it's a little bit far, I can't see it, even the images. Yeah, I'm nearsighted. Okay, so that's our instruction manual. So much for that. Let's go. How many packs we have? One. Yeah, it's only one, just one. So now let's open the packs. Let's go. Okay, so now we have here the parts or the runners. And let's talk about first this. Wow, that's so big. And yeah, that's stickers. But maybe, I don't know if I will use this one because I know that I have a gray color right here. Maybe I will use the black, the metallic black maybe. Or I don't know if I have a gray metallic. But yeah, it's nice also. But I don't know if I will use this stickers. The yellow one, I have also a yellow color right here. A yellow acrylic paint. Maybe I will also use that acrylic paint than using the stickers. But yeah, maybe I will just use these stickers right here for the forehead camera and the back of the head camera and then the visor of our Windom right here. Yeah, maybe that's the only parts that, or the only stickers that I will use on this kit. Maybe, yeah, I will just see if I can really paint it or not. But if not, and if the stickers are good, yeah, let's see if we can really use it. And maybe, I think it's sticky. Yeah, let's see. So it's the stickers. Then we also have a very nice stand right here. Yeah, easy PC to assemble. Then speak of PC, we have a PC right here. So this is your PC here. So let's just have the parts already. Okay. And then next we have here the runner C1. Yeah, I will just go and show you the runners. So maybe I will just put the parts right here. So this is your C1 and C2. So you can see the C1 and C2 has just the same parts here at the above the upper part. Yeah, and then the rest of the C1 right here is different, which has the beam rifle right here and the other parts. Okay, so that's your C1 and C2. And then next, let me have this one, the blue one, which is your runner A. Yeah, is this runner A? Yeah, this is runner A. Yeah, we also have this runner A right here, another runner A. So this is the part already that I think it's on this part. Yeah, they just detach it, but maybe we can attach it again. Yeah, a little bit maybe. Yeah, it can, but I don't know. Then another one part here, A also, which is, what part is this one? Okay, maybe here. Here, am I right? Yeah. I'm just guessing, okay. Then another part here, which is A also. Yeah, this is the A. So it's just an unboxing, but it's like we're assembling the runners. Assembling the runners. Okay, so let's assemble it. Yeah, this is the A also. So that's why they just have a one pack and disassemble the A runner so that it can be put it and sell it on just one plastic pack. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we assembled it. I don't know what is on this part, and yeah, the other part right here, it doesn't have an attachment. I think there's no other runner A right here. Yeah, none. So this is your runner A. We assembled the runner A. So this is your runner A for a Windom. It's nice. Yeah, very nice. The blue, yeah, it's nice. Let's see the plastic quality. It's okay. It's okay. Not so kind, but this color right here, it's a little bit like of the TT Hongli, as I remember. There are so many colors of TT Hongli on this one. But yeah, the quality, the plastic of, yeah, nice plastic quality, man. Sharp details also. So yeah. Then we have a beam saber right here. And then we have the runner. This is your runner B. This is it. Where is it? Let me get it. Yes, it's your runner B1 and B2. So the B1 and B2 has the same parts right here. Yeah, so that's your runner B1 and B2. So I think that's for the armors, the white parts. And yeah, these parts really shouts for panel lining. And I really love to panel line this one. Yeah, the data, especially on this kind, this part here on this, I don't know if this is the shoulder part or in the feet. Yeah, I don't know, but yeah, it's really nice to have a panel line for this one. Yep. So yeah, so let me take it back to the box so that we can let's see if the runner A can. Oh yeah, it can, but yeah, they just want to put it in one plastic bag. That's why they disassemble the runner A. So that's the parts of our, or the runners of our Windom. So yeah, so that is our unboxing of our Windom, and now we box it again because I will have a live on this build of our Windom. So stay tuned on my YouTube channel because I will have a live build. But yeah, I think when I post this unboxing, I'm already done on making or having the live build, because yeah, the live build will always be on the first part, because as I said, if I will have a bootleg kits, I will not have a speed build. I will only have the unboxing, the quick look, and the full review of the kit, and then after that there's no speed build, because yeah, we know that it's the bootleg, so expect the unexpected. Always there are some loose and tight fittings that will really give you a headache when you have a speed build, because I already experienced that, and it's not good. It's not good for the mind. It's not good for the brain. It will really stress you out, and it will just really lose some of your precious times. And yeah, and the editing also, there are so many parts of the video that you need to cut because of those loose and tight fittings. Yep. Okay, so that's it. Wow. Okay, so that's it. That's our unboxing of the Windom right here, and I hope you like it. So if you like these kinds of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so to be informed for our next videos. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. Whoo! Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gunplover Show signing off. Goodbye. Whoo! Windom Fighter. Windom? Yep. Windom.